Hey guys, it's Jerry Metal Man Battaglia, Christmas Eve 2021, and I'm out here in East Moriches, New York, in front of a repair shop on Montauk Highway. That's, I've been living out here my whole life. I've never seen anybody at this facility, but let's check it out. Let's see an old T Brid in there. You guys can see it. There's an old bird in there, convertible. And this place has been vacant for years. Got a tractor out front. Old farm tractor, old Ford farm tractor. Pretty awesome. Here's the old office. Looks like it's been vacant for years. Registered repair shop. But literally, I've been driving past for years. Old 1970 Chevy wagon. 350 car, rotting to the ground. Townsend wagon. All the stuff back here. Pretty cool. Old Ford F500 tow truck. This is an old abandoned repair shop here. That's pretty cool, right? So you got the repair shop, you got the tow truck, you got some cars. Old Malibu, old Vega. Car's just rotting in the ground. Old Vega. Well, that's your Pontiac Astro. These cars are literally sinking into the ground. It's been so long. Little bulldozer there. You can see in here. See the T Brid back there. Convertible. And literally, this car's been parked here, since I remember, since the mid '80s. Literally sinking into the ground. So guys, have a great Christmas. Please like and share my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Jerry Metal Man Battaglia. Have a great Christmas, everyone.